D23 getting out.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're beginning a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Friends, I'm so delighted you've joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this Magic Kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. See, there was a time not so long ago that I was just a young fella on Main Street with a balloon in my hand and a wish in my heart that someday I'd be the conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know it, with a bit of gumption and a dash of magic, here I am. So believe it when I say that around here, anything is possible. See what I mean? Hope you packed a compass, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just scaling a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventureland. Now, if you're more the rootin' tootin' type, then partner, saddle up, because this here's Frontierland. Home to cowpokes, campfires, and country bears, this outpost is full of tall tales and even taller mouths. Yonder is Big Thunder Mountain and its runaway mine train. Now, just ahead is Splash Mountain, where you'll find Brer Rabbit in his laughing place. Oh, be sure to say howdy. Those critters love when folks drop in. We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone, so sit tight and hold those horses until we come to a complete stop. If you're disembarked, please carry your strollers all the way on before and forward. That'll help make room for any new buccaneers. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
Please remain seated. If you come forward, we'll make a plane stop and I'll let you know we're all clear. Please remain seated. And we're all clear. Please watch out and step up these disembark. Grab all your belongings. If you have any strollers, please take them all the way out before unfolding them. Welcome to Frontierland.
So many people are.
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love minding this railroad. But for those times I'm fixing for something a bit wilder, Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own.
It's not very wild right now. That's the part where it parks. Yeah. I think that's the part. Yeah, it is. Yeah. that was right? Yeah. It's not we need to go over there so we can go across that barrel where you
The change in scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind and entered my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise and telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. Now, if you're more the rootin' tootin' type, folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland, where magic. Listen. Hear that?
There it is! On that big metal snake! It's so sweet, sir. That's not a snake. It's a train. Train, huh? Well, I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put. Hey! Get back here, Shadow! Shadow!
Oh, think again. We really must find some stronger friends.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner in Fantasyland. Children of all ages, we're coming down the track and heading straight for the stupendous, the sensational, the spectacularific Fantasyland Storybook Circus. This is the place to soar with Dumbo, or join Goofy in his stunt plane for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the platform before unfolding them. That way we can start loading up for the next leg of our trip. For those disembarking, please watch your step, and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
Please remain seated until I give you the all clear. We're still moving. Please remain seated. And we're all clear. Please watch ahead and step aside. Disembark up all your belongings. If you have any strollers, please take them all the way out before unfolding them.
I told my mom.
Welcome to
we saw them
Fantasyland.
running it when we were here for
Looks like we're on our way, and I'm so glad to have you with us. The next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, USA. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve. And not just because we're on a straightaway. Our metropolis of mechanical marvels, Tomorrowland.
Please make sure your legs are inside the train.
your lips are in legs. Your lips. Hold on, Mom. I'm gonna show y'all. Look over there. Over that way. That's our stalkers. It's really short.
As you know, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the morning.
It is rough,
But
though.
I'm still awed by the rockets at Spaceport 75. The technology that...
Unidentified users detected in upload conduit area. Scanning. Calculating. Locomotive maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required.
The secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it, right? Yes, sir, in this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle to tomorrow.
Yeah, they made the music sound like something exciting was about to happen. Oh, there might actually, there's two So they took up the barrier, or the barricade for this, but I don't think it's open yet for the light tower, the satellite, you know, that. Yeah, I think they're cleaning that off finally. It is a little dirty, isn't it? I mean, it's Florida. Everything is milky. We just get milky here. That's why pressure washing materials is a really good business.
Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA. A place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treats. After our stop, we'll be heading for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of you. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station, after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
As we pull into Main Street, please remain seated until our train comes to a full complete stop, and I let you know when it's safe to exit by saying all clear. For now, please remain fully seated.
It's still not like